I was so excited when I toured my 1831 house and saw that it had a little pantry, and I knew that this space had so much potential with original features like beadboard cabinet doors and only a few major issues. One being the fact that half of the window was covered up by a cabinet, and the other being this very 1960s linoleum floor. So let's get to work. The most important thing in a pantry is storage, and this is a small space, so I can totally understand why someone built this cabinet in front of the window. But I know we can do better. We're leaving half of the cabinet in place, but carefully taking out the part that covers the window. Once that was out, there was so much more light and the space just felt more open. Now, onto the floors. I had no idea what would be under the linoleum, but there are such gorgeous maple floors elsewhere in the house that my hopes were high. Well, underneath we found plywood, underneath that more linoleum, and then gorgeous floors. It took a good bit of effort to get all that off, and they still need some TLC, but we'll get back to that later. Now, on to the most important part of this whole room. In place of the window cabinet, if you can recall, in my New York City apartment kitchen renovation, we built a custom bench under the window for my cat Beatrice. That's where she likes to eat her meals. We call it Bee's Bench. So of course, we needed Bee's Bench 2.0 in this house. Sebastian built it largely the same way with her signature beadboard, which just so happens to match the original beadboard that was already in here. This space had such good bones and so much original charm, and it's come a long way already, but we still have a little more work to do, like paint, add shelving. Of course, we're going to be wallpapering and changing out some fixtures. And then I think I'm going to do something kind of fun when it comes to the window treatment. And we can't forget refinishing the floors. Absolutely cannot wait to watch this all come together. Come back for part 2.